Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Rebecca Jamir and I make food videos. Today also I'm here with another recipe. Today I'm going to make North Indian recipe. As I'm here in North India for many years, I've learned this recipe. Well, it's more of my style. So let me show you the ingredients. Today as I'm alone, I'm taking the video myself and I'm going to cook myself. These are the ingredients. So our main ingredient for today is chicken. This is 1 kilo. Onions, just 2 small pieces of onions. Green chilies. As today some of my friends are coming for dinner, I'm using only 3 pieces of green chilies. This is bay leaves, cinnamon, elaichi, cardamom, long, cloves, ginger and garlic paste, Wayfair tomatoes, 3 pieces of tomatoes, chicken masala, haldi powder. I'm going to use this Kashmiri mirch powder and some black pepper and of course salt for taste. Hi, thank God my husband has arrived, so I'm just going to cook and he's going to take the videos. Thank you so much for coming soon. Many of you were asking me about oil, so today I'm going to use this mustard oil. I fill the mustard oil in this bottle. Chalo friends, let's start cooking. Thank God cylinder is also open, lighter is also nearby. Let's see, I've added the oil. Okay, now the oil is ready. So first I will add this elaichi. Then this long, the cinnamon, green chilies, stir it till it turns brown in color. Now we'll add these onions. I'm going to add these bay leaves also. Fry it in a low flame. Now the onions are brown in color, so I will add this ginger and garlic paste. Let me remind you once again that after adding the garlic and ginger paste, you have to keep on stirring. Otherwise this garlic and ginger, it will stuck in the pan. Fry it in a low medium flame only. We'll add these tomatoes. Now the garlic and ginger has also turned in brown color. So we are going to add these tomatoes. After adding the tomatoes, you can turn the flame in high and you can add the salt. Cover it and let it cook properly. Let's check the tomatoes. It's cooked properly. See. Now we will add this turmeric powder. Chicken masala. Kashmiri mirch powder. This chili powder is not hot, so even if you are adding 2-3 spoons, it won't make the sabji so hot. Oh my god. Okay guys, now we'll be adding this chicken. I'm going to add more salt. In between you have to stir in, otherwise your chicken will burn up. Well friends, I always take my masala containers like this. Whenever I'm buying this type of masala packet, I always cut this and I paste it here, so it will be easy to identify which masala. So these are the masalas. I've pasted here, and these things also: garam masala, sambar masala, jeera powder, biryani masala. So whoever comes in my kitchen, they can easily identify which masala is which. Wow, see the color. It looks like Korean mukbang. Maybe Korean mukbang guru lal color guru. Now we'll be adding water. I'm going to use hot water. The chicken is already half cooked, so you don't need to add much water. So now what I will do, I will add this black pepper. We'll cook like 10 minutes. Guys, I'm also on Instagram, Becky Makes Stuff. You can follow me there. I have only 195 followers, so please help me to get more followers. Many of you were asking me, is this my daughter? So it's not my daughter. She is my student. Oh, I miss this food. I was busy checking the tin fish, then suddenly this chuha came. I've cooked this for more than 10 minutes. Now it's properly cooked. Now it's time to eat.